Hey guys, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports, and today we're going to be doing a quick install and overview on this Recon smoked LED third brake light for the 15 to 18 F150s. So this is just a real simple piece overall. It replaces your factory third brake light with something that's all LED. So you have the red LEDs in the center, obviously, for the actual brake itself, and then two white LEDs for cargo lights on the sides. And then it also has a harness that's built to just plug directly into the factory wiring, making it pretty simple to install overall. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and get this thing put on. So the first thing you want to do when looking at your third brake light is go ahead and take either a Torx bit or a flathead screwdriver or even a small socket to go in and remove these 4 screws that are holding it to the truck. All right, and with the last screw out of the way, we can go ahead and pull the light forward and expose the wiring in the back. The next thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and rotate to remove the bulbs from inside this third brake light housing. Just like that, we can set the housing out of the way. And now we'll go ahead and fish this wiring back out through the side, just like that. Now, as you can see, there's not a connector right here on the harness where you can plug in the LEDs. So you're gonna have to go ahead and kind of come in here and push down on a little plastic clip inside this sort of cutout section within your truck's cab. And when you push that on that clip, it's gonna release this wiring harness and you can actually bring it forward, and that's where you're gonna find the connector that you need to undo. Now on the wiring harness coming off the back of your Recon third brake light, you'll see that there's 2 connectors, a gray one and a black one. We're not gonna need the gray, so you can zip tie that up or put it out of the way, but the black we're gonna go ahead and connect to the truck. Now the next thing you want to do is move your factory wiring harness plug over to the center hole, and then go ahead and connect it. Then once that's clipped in place, we can feed the wiring back in. The final step is going to be to take your original hardware from the light we removed and just reattach it to mount the third brake light to the truck. All right, and with all 4 screws tightened down, that's going to complete the install. Let's go ahead and turn it on and make sure everything works. So it looks like everything works perfect. The brake lights and the cargo lights light up just fine. So that's going to be a wrap on this install. And if you guys are interested in picking up this third brake light for your F-150, you can head down in the description below, click that link, it'll shoot you over to our website. And then while you're down there, also make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss any of our other installs and reviews that we're always putting out. And I will see you guys next time.